Hey guys, it's Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting. I am here to unbox, unenvelope, I guess, a prize that I won in a live a couple weeks ago during the Diamond Paint-a-thon. It was a number painting game from Mindy. I'll put her channel in here and down in the comments, sort of the description. This is the first video I filmed in a while. Winter's been rough, we'll put it that way, but you should see some more videos coming soon. It's going to be mostly unboxings because I've got like a backlog of unboxing stuff, but I will be uploading those, and I'm going to try to, you know, sprinkle some whip and chats in there if I can. But it's just going to kind of depend on how I'm feeling, because I'm definitely feeling a little bit, you know, out of it. But, you know, I apologize to you guys, but, you know, it is what it is, and I figure the channel is something I do for fun, and if I'm just not feeling like it's fun, I'm trying to be gentle on myself for not doing it for a little while. And a lot of the stuff I'm going to unbox next, like in future videos, is stuff that I got like before Christmas. But there's a couple new things, this included. I got this about a week ago, and I didn't undo it till now because I wanted to do it on camera. But thank you, Mindy. I'm really excited about this because I never win anything. And we're going to just go ahead and get it out here and see what we got. Because I knew that there was going to be, she had like a couple different things. So it was going to be either a bookmark or keychains and then one of the snacks that she sent. So let's see what we got. All right, we got Better Made potato sticks. Better Made's a Michigan company, so that's part of why she picked it. And then it looks like we have the keychains, which I'm excited about because I actually love diamond painted keychains. Excuse the crinkle. So again, thank you so much. I am super excited to be doing these. These are just the findings. The diamond painting keychains usually come with like a ball chain, you know, like chain, and then a little clip, lobster clip. These are all the gems. Looks like mostly rhinestones with some special shapes. And we're gonna look at. It comes with a kit. I mean, it's your basic kit. And there's 4 of them. We've got a little fox and a little raccoon holding a heart. That's super cute. Oh my gosh. A little pig with wings. I remember her saying that one was a little out of place, but I like the little when pigs fly idea. And then a little squirrel that I guess, well, we'll see what color those gems are, but he's holding. And this one is missing part of its coating. Let me see. Well, we're just going to stick that there so it doesn't get unsticky. But yeah, maybe I'll do a whip and chat and work on these because they are super fast, these little keychains. I'll open this and just see if there's any really cool looking. Alright, so we've got some like dark gray rhinestones. We've got just black drills. I can't tell through there if they're cut like rhinestones or not, but they look like they might be. We've got clear rhinestones. We've got some orange, like some red orange. We've got some more amber colored orange. Some like straight up orange. We've got like a peachy orange. And this, that could also be like more of a pink too. And then that's kind of like a little bit of an orangey pink. And then we have our special drills. So we have some red rhinestones and some big orange round rhinestones, and then some gold pearl halves, some sort of pale like champagne marquise. All my favorites, the AB pearly teardrops. Those are some gold marquise ones. You can see the clears, but those are the backs. The top is actually coated with the gold color. And then some like pink AB teardrops. So it's a nice little selection here. And I'm pretty excited to work on these. Get them somewhat back in the bag. I'll probably stick all this in a big Ziploc. When I get a chance. And then the bag's all like flattened out. Potato sticks. I'm not going to eat them on camera, but I am pretty excited about the about trying these. We have something similar that I can get here in the store. They come in like a can. They're definitely not this brand. But I like these, so I'm pretty excited about them. It's always fun to try something from another place. But anyway, thank you so much, Mindy. I am super happy to have been one of the winners in your little contest. Again, like I never win anything, so it's always really exciting. That is it for this one. It was just a really quick one. I will see you guys in the next video, which is probably going to be an unboxing of one of the more recent Diamond Art Club releases. And then it's just going to be a backlog of Diamond Art Clubs that I got previously. So, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, or thumbs it down if you didn't. Leave a comment if you've got anything to say, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to subscribe. I will catch y'all on the flip side of bye-bye.